compared to that. But whenever we do some of the other plots, we're going to be showcased. If I type like this, you're going to be getting all the plots here. Okay, iconic plots, some of the plots, sparklets, charts, some of the totals you want to be calculate, table you're going to be extract. Okay, so these are very interesting approaches when you are going to do some plots with respect to any kind of waterfall or anything. The Gantt plots, you can say, Gantt plots is going to be very helpful whenever you want to be showcased, whenever you want to be showcased in a time series manner with respect to that. This is very interesting plot. This is also bar plot, but this is a stacked plot with respect to that. If I click on any plot, it's going to be given some of the values you can see here. If I click this plot, totally the value is going to be showcased. So this number of the values we have corresponding to this plot. So similarly, trend arrow, you can say. So we are just showcasing as a labeled, okay, showcasing as a label. We can also add maybe the add access, add labels. You can say if I delete this, in the all the values are going to be appeared. If I want to be showcased in terms of outside or the data call, you can say inside. So inside is nothing but this, outside is nothing but this, data outlet. It's going to be showcased as like this at the center. Okay, center is going to be. For the more option, you can also go to the more option. You will get a lot of the information with respect to that. So if I just specified maybe the separator, okay, semicolon or the period kind of thing, it's also very helpful to do that. Legend key, okay, legend key is also very good method to do. And category wise, like what exactly this is a product, right? So that's the reason. And the series number, you can select the series number. It's going to give as a change in percentage, and the value of the format cells. You can also specify some of the format cells what we had. You can also mention maybe the number if you have general number or the time number or the date number, and you can also mention the format of with respect to that. And similarly, so this is one method to follow. Similarly, we have some of the actual and target plots. Simple chart plots only. Here we are going to be specified with respect to the labels. Okay, so with respect to the labels, we are going to be specified any kind of the access results or trending lines or the add legend. The legend is going to be helpful. Okay, so legend, if I add the legend, is going to be give as what exactly the dull color and what exactly the dark color we have. Actually, the dark color is the actual and the dull color is the target. You can also give the chart titles. Okay, chart title, if I click, chart title is going to be give, and access title, what exactly that data type by the column name we are going to be specified, and the data labels we are going to be handled together. You can also go and discuss more into this, and you can also type the data table. This is also very helpful to identify that. Grid lines, grid, you want to be specified any grid lines, and the trend results, actual or the trend. So I want the target one, so it's going to be give as a target results. Similar the target line, I want to specify the actual, so it's going to be decreasing when compared to the linear transformations, like actual linear transformation with respect to the actual and also the target variable.